Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I want to polish this exhaust tip just a tiny bit so it doesn't look like a piece of shit. For that I'm going to use 400, 600, 800, no, maybe not, 600. Then I'm going to use H100 and possibly 3000 grit sandpaper to polish it. Besides that, I'm going to use silicone spray or any kind of WD-40 as lubricant, and I'm also going to spray the exhaust hanger that is under there so I can take the exhaust off and let it lower so I have more space to work with. I'm using this silicone lubricant because it doesn't damage the rubber. And a exhaust hanger clamp thingy would be really useful, but I don't have one. So screwdriver it is. So here's what I'm trying to do. Using 400 grit sandpaper to remove all the surface rust, and after that gradually increasing the grit and make it as shiny as I can make it. So yeah, this will take some time, so I guess I'm doing a time lapse. So this is kind of how it looks after 600 grit. Now I will go to 800 and after that possibly to 3000. And by the way, I did go back and sand it down with 80 grit because it was re-corroded and I could not get that out. Now I will wet sand. By the way, this takes a lot more time than you might think. If you go from 80 to 3000 grit and you take your time with all the sandpapers, then it might take you, well, the whole process around 1 to 2 hours. Maybe more if you want to make it really shiny. On the other hand, I think I polished this tip about a week ago and it still is really shiny, and it looks so much better than before the polishing process. Oh yeah, and I guess you can use some metal polishing compound if you want to, but I didn't have and I didn't want to buy, so I stuck to the 3000 grit and the WD-40. So yeah, this is it. What a difference, don't you think? It's much better than before, and we'll add just a tiny bit of WD-40 over it. Hopefully it will stop the corrosion more or less. Unfortunately the sun is setting and I need to be done for today because I will have no light. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these kind of videos, you can go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. And for free out.